It gives me great pleasure and happiness to be part of this great function. It's also a historic day for United India Insurance. Uh, this is a scheme whereby all the State Bank account, savings bank account holders of State Bank of Hyderabad would get a free personal accident insurance to the extent of rupees 1 lakhs, which basically provides a compensation of this amount of 1 lakh in the event of death of the account holder, unfortunate death of the account holder. So this amount goes to the family members, to the legal heirs. It's a great scheme in my opinion. As you all know, insurance penetration in India is rather poor. Hardly 10% of the Indian population is covered against one form of insurance or another. So I must compliment State Bank of Hyderabad for taking this great initiative, for taking the message of insurance to the account holders and also providing them a free insurance cover. So if something unfortunate happens to the account holder, the family is not left in the streets. They get a decent compensation amount with which they can continue their lives reasonably well. We all know State Bank of Hyderabad has been doing an exceedingly great job. Their performance in all parameters is probably the outstanding in the market as compared to their peers. We in United India are very glad to be associated with them. We have been their bank assurance partners for many years, and together we have been trying to take the message of insurance to the people of this country. We have been leveraging the branches of State Bank of Hyderabad to do this. We have, apart from the normal fire and other insurances for their loaned assets, we have also designed a personal accident cover and a health insurance cover, which is available to the customers of State Bank of Hyderabad. And these are very interesting schemes, and they are of course available at a premium to be paid by the customers. Personally, I must say that I've been a customer of State Bank of Hyderabad as a savings bank account holder for more than 30 years, and I've been a very happy customer. I've never left them. So I think I can personally vouchsafe for the kind of customer service the bank gives to all its customers. Coming to United India Insurance, the company has been doing extremely well. Last year we touched almost 6,400 crores in premium income. We are a company with about 1,400 offices across the country, 17,000 employees, a company with a rich history of 73 years in this market, a net worth of 4,200 crores, a solvency of 2.89, which is probably the highest in the market, indicating the highest level of financial strength the company brings to the table as far as insurance security is concerned.